Alright, so I just want to take a minute and give you an update on where we are with this project with the paver sealing, tinting, and house washing. Let me walk around and show you where we're at. Alright, so today we're working on the front. We got a turbo nozzle out the driveway. Get all these weeds out, get everything prepped. We got the house all cleaned up. The awnings are all done. Got a lot of pavers. We're gonna get all this cleaned out today. Down along the side, we got this turbo nozzled out the other day, so this is all ready to go. Okay, and down along the back, and now we're coming up to where we stopped with the tinting yesterday. So we got these pavers out along here and the back steps. I'll take you up and show you those. We got all these tinted out yesterday. First coat of sealer on them. Major difference. Steps down here going down to the dock. We had a couple of repairs that we're just finishing up on the top of the steps here. As you can see, it's just it's day and night. It's just bringing these old worn out pavers definitely back to life. That's paver restoration. Got all these cleaned up here. Started getting this whole deck sanded. Steps are amazing. Yeah, it came out really good. Looks like new pavers. Okay. Well, we'll get this little section here finished up, and we'll be ready to seal the pool deck. But today's project is to get the front all turbo nozzled out. Now, if you can see that shine already on these pavers, just amazing. A big difference. All right, let's build spring pressure washing. Let's get busy. Got a long day today. Now we're in the middle of tinting our restoration job on these pavers. So let me show you the process, what we got going on. You can see just the difference in the white faded out pavers and the line that we created there. All right, let's get back to work. We got a lot more pavers to tint yet.